In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the question text color on your Typeform form. If you want your surveys or forms to capture attention and match your brand or style, updating the question text color is a quick and impactful way to do it. I'll walk you through the entire process, making sure you understand every step so you can customize your forms just the way you want. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser on your computer and go to typeform.com. Once you're there, log in using your account details. After you've signed in, you'll land on your Typeform dashboard where you can see all of your forms. Find the form that you want to customize and click on it. This will open up the form editor, where you have access to all of your customization tools. At the top of the editor, you'll see a toolbar. Here you'll want to look for the option labeled Design. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can give your form a unique look and feel. Now within the design section, you'll see several themes, each offering different design options for your form's appearance. Hover over the theme you want to edit and you'll notice 3 small dots appear in the corner. Click on those 3 dots if you'd like to edit an existing theme. If you prefer to start fresh, you can also click the plus sign to create a brand new theme. After selecting your desired theme, you'll be given the option to edit various aspects, including fonts and colors. Since we're focusing on updating the question text color, you'll want to click on either Font or Colors. For changing the color of the question text specifically, look for the color picker next to titles and questions. This is the control that determines the color of your question text. Click on the color picker and you'll see a range of color options pop up. You can click around to explore and select a color that matches your branding, or if you have a specific color in mind, you can type in the hex code directly for that shade. This gives you total flexibility in how your text appears to your audience. Once you're happy with the color you've chosen, make sure to click Save Changes. This ensures your new settings are kept and your form gets the updated look. But there's one final step to make your changes public. Head to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. This will push your updated text color live, so anyone who views your form from now on will see your new style. And that's all there is to it. With just a few quick steps, you can update the question text color on your Typeform form and give it a personalized touch. Remember, customizing your forms can make a big difference in how they're perceived and can really boost engagement. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create beautiful, effective forms with Typeform.